I've been running this bot, the Super Trim bot, for hour or two, something like that this morning. So you can see all the trades it's taken. I have not touched it. I have let it trade. So it just entered another trade there. We'll let it ride. And I've got these settings on it, and it automatically hits the entry. It automatically hits the target, and the stop will automatically move with it. We're up $720 so far. It just hit that target. We're up $840. Live account, you can see right there, it's my account. It's not a demo or nothing like that. It is my account. You can pause this bot anytime you want. So if you don't want it to trade anymore, you just click pause and it'll stop. You can make it to where it does the longs only and the shorts only. So if you don't want shorts on, you just hit that. And these over here, I go over that whenever we're in the training of how to use the bot. So I go over that. I don't give out what we're doing there. This is called the Super Trend, and this is a magic formula that I come up with and made, and the settings in the back end are settings that I have come up with, and it's working really well. We're trading one contract on this. I normally trade anywhere from 4 to 8 contracts, but I'm doing one contract just to show you a small account can make the money. And you can just add your contracts if you want. If you're trading 4 contracts, you'd be up $3,240 or $3,200 over $3,000. I can't do math that quick. So that's where you would be. You can also move these limits on up. So if you think it's going to go up and hit your zone, you can just go ahead and drag this up and let it hit. This demonstration, I'm only showing you what it does, with a bot being untouched. So it cost me $1,000 per trade. That's what NQ is with the Ninja Trader. It's $1,000 margin. So we're spending $1,000 per trade, but we're up $840. So, with being up $840, then you're up 84% of whatever your trade is. That's pretty good money. Your commissions, I have the lifetime license, so I spend $3.99, I think it is, or $3.98. Call it $4. I spend $4 per trade. So to buy here and to sell there costs me $4. This is a very good bot. It works great when you have some volatility. When you're in chop, it'll work, but it takes forever, and sometimes you will end up losing a little bit of money in chop. But for the most part, it does a very good job with very little movement, and for the most part. Now, I usually run this up until about 10 o'clock in the morning. I'll run it usually sometime around 7 or 8 in the morning, and then I will turn it off probably around 10. You can set this to where it will automatically go ahead and kick on at certain times and shut off at certain times. So, and if you want, you can drag this stop down. You can go ahead and move this wherever you want. So that's 51.50. I can click on that. I'm not. There it did. It just took another trade. Now we're up $960. So the bot does well. Now look at that. If I had moved this down, I would actually be in the red right now. Possibly keep on going up. I have back tested this and come up with settings that work really well for this particular one. This is not, like I said, this is not your normal super trend. This is not like the others. This one is, I call it a magic formula that I come up with in order to make these work appropriately. And you can see the background when it's green, that means long. The pink means short. Your candles go that way as well. It does a great job. If you're interested, go to spymoneyllc.com/SpyBot, and it will take you right to this. We lease this bot. So if you are interested, then you can lease the bot for a month. If you don't like it after a month, then you can cancel it. There's no obligation. You just pay every month. The bot today has already made not just this particular one, but in other trades I've done, has more than paid for 1 month of the lease. So you're actually money ahead. So for the rest of the month, any money you make would be free money. But if you're interested, let me know. If you need to talk to me, just send me a message on the contact form, give your number and tell me what time is best for you, and then I will get in touch with you. I can talk to you more about it and let you know how this actually works. So I'm getting ready to take another trade possibly. Let's see what it does here. It's got to close above that super trend. There we go. So now let's hope that it goes up and hits that and not come back on me. So sometimes when it hits, it'll pull back and then it will rage back up. Sometimes it'll just come down and you'll have a loss. After this trade, I'm going to pause it because of the way it's moving right now. We're 9:39 Eastern time right now. Hopefully this will come up and hit that one last target and just go ahead and take it out. Almost hit it. Get one more, go up and hit it, and then we can get out of it. It almost hit about 2 ticks away from it. We may close this one out when it gets up there a little bit closer. I don't like the way it's looking now. It's close to that time to where things start going sideways on us. Made a lower high there. I don't like that. We're in this zone, and when you get around a zone, I don't like to trade a lot of times. See if we can get back up there. When this super trend starts going sideways, it's not good. I'm going to move this down just to get out of the trade, let it go up and hit. Hopefully it'll go up and get that again so we don't have a loser. So it'll be our only losing trade if it does lose. So we had one loser on it. We're paused the bot. So anytime you have that, again, you could have taken profit. We were 2 ticks away from actually taking profit there, but we ended up losing. But that's okay. We still are money ahead. And if I would have left it on, possibly might be able to make money here, but I wouldn't have paused it. When you start seeing this sideways action, that's the best time to go ahead and get rid of it. Right there would have been 58. 50. So this right here would not have taken the profit. You were 1 tick away, or actually 1 point away from getting profit here. This very well may come right on down, and you would have got profit here. This one, if you would have had just 5 points instead, then you would have made money on it, which I wish I would have, but I didn't. But that's the way the bot works. You will have a losing trade every now and then. It's just a matter of deciding when to turn it on or off. When you get around these zones, it's a good time to sometimes go ahead and get out, especially when you're taking a trade right at the bottom of it. But I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be more than happy to help you. Have a great day.